Hello and welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial I will show you what components are and what you can do with them. The easiest way to explain components is with the help of the content page type. Let's create a new content page as a test. To do this, click on Pages in the App Designer and add a new content page. As you can see, we are right in the Content tab of the new page. And here we already have our first component, a text area. With this component you can display texts that can also be formatted. Of course, there are other components as well. For example, let's insert a picture. To do this we click on Add Component and select Image. Now we can select an image that has already been uploaded or insert a new image. Let's choose a new photo from the Unsplash picture platform. After you have chosen an image, you can now crop it as you wish. Done. As you can see, the new image component has been added. You can also adjust the order of the components. To do this, drag and drop individual components to the correct position. So, that looks great. Many components can also be further configured. Click on the cogwheel to display the configuration options for an image component. Here we can change the way the image is displayed. Let's choose the circle display style and save our changes. Well, that looks really cool. You can use the button component to make your app more dynamic. Let's add a new button and give it a label. Now you can define what should happen when you press this button in the app. For example, you can start a call, open a website, or jump to another page of your app. If you want to delete components, you can do this with the help of this icon. Let's remove the button so I can show you the list component. You are probably familiar with lists from other apps. Let's add a one. For example, let's create contact options using the list component. The user should be able to call you from the app or write an email. Let's start with the phone number. Add a new list item. Above we can configure the title and the icon for this entry. As an action we select call number and enter a phone number. After we have saved the change, we see our first entry in the list. Let's then add another list element for writing an email. Here too, we configure a title and a suitable icon. This time we choose write an email as an action and enter our email address. Done. After saving you will see our first contact list. In addition to text areas, images, buttons and lists, there are other components such as cards, spacers or YouTube videos. Feel free to try out all components and experiment with them. That's it. Have fun and see you next time.